Hold on 1 second. Hey, it's me again. I'm by myself right now. And, so, right now we're going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's Pizza Simulator, which is the one where you have, like, you build your own pizzeria. Right now this is getting really annoying. Hold on. I don't know what happened. Alright, there we go. Okay, so I already started it, but yeah. What it says right down at the bottom is press enter. I didn't really have it centered very specifically. And look at how cute this squishy is. Hold on. If you watch any like YouTubers that do like squishy videos, like Dr. Squish, I'll put her link in the description down below. This is Guretama. I have a makeup bag with him on it. And if you turn it around, it's a little egg butt. Hopefully, YouTube doesn't delete my video for that. Alright, so let's get started. See, right here it says Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria Simulator. So that's all of the characters. And apparently Foxy has a bird. Oh yeah! My next video will probably be on Five Nights at Freddy's Custom Night. Let's get into it. And I'm gonna do continue on the one that I already created, but I haven't finished it completely. But do not continue on if you have a problem with flashing lights or jump scares, because there's jump scares, flashing lights, and noises. So the noises is a kind of obvious thing, but they needed to put it in anyway. So yeah, let's get on. I'm gonna pause this real quick so I can get everything set up. Be right back with the video. Alright, so I went into the very obvious board, and so I already unlocked most of the stuff that I need. So this is the Dumpster Diver Weekly. I already have this item. I don't have that one because the liability risk is 1%, and you don't want anything that has a liability risk that's super high. And I purchased an item with a liability risk of 4, but when I purchased it, it didn't say that, so I thought it was fine. But as soon as I got it, it said that there was a liability risk of 4. So yeah, don't have this one. I have these plates and cups and napkins. I got these as a sort of like an upgrade to the paper plates and napkins, cups. And I got that stage the first time. But yeah. And then I got this one as an upgrade to that. And I got this because everything needs to be clean and sanitary. Because if it's not, then we have a little bit of an issue. Sorry, I was checking on my Tamagotchi. Yep. I got this one because no liability risk, but it says for the health and safety part that it's pretty high. So I'm counting on you cleaning objects Alright, I got this cooling fan because it's gonna get pretty hot in there if the kids are like running around and stuff. So, can I just say that the little dancing guy in the corner is so cute? How he's dancing to the music, it's funny. And I didn't get this one because I thought that it was kind of boring. And the health and safety is 0. And health and safety and entertainment are the big reasons why you want to get it. And yeah. And I got this one because it's an animatronic, but it's a light animatronic, and that's what I got because it was cheap and I needed to get other things for the children to enjoy, I guess. And apparently I bought all of them that were kind of like this. Sorry, I'm itchy. Because it's like, it's interesting. And they're not very entertainable, I guess, if that's a word. Entertainable? I don't know. But people that first start probably get these ones because they're less expensive, unlike the other animatronics. So I got that one, and that one. And I didn't get this one because there was a liability risk of 1. And animatronics kind of can control themselves sometimes. So I didn't want to risk it eating one of the children. So if it did, then we would have an issue, and I don't want to get in trouble with the place that it controls, I guess. If I'm looking away, don't take it offensively. That's what I do when I'm thinking. I got a bug bite on my leg. It's really itchy. Alright, so there's that one. I didn't get that one, but I got this one because it was like, it looked kind of cool, and I thought that if I was like a little kid, I would probably find some use for it. And I got this one, and it's kind of like the same thing as the first one that I showed, but it doesn't have the as much like entertainment wise things on it. So I thought it could be used for kind of like a decoration sort of animatronic maybe. But I got that, and then I got these as decorations for on the walls, because that makes sense for a restaurant. Alright, and then for stands, budget, and tech, I got these as an upgrade on the paper plates and cups and napkins. And these came with party hats, which I thought was pretty cool. And it says that the entertainment is 0, and normally that's not really meant for cups and plates and stuff aren't really meant for entertainment, so that part doesn't really matter in this situation. But the health and safety is pretty nice, and so is the atmosphere. And then I got these speakers because obviously they're gonna want to listen to some music, not only from the animatronics, but like background noise sorta, and to keep the animatronics calm. I didn't get these ones because they were really expensive, and the entertainment and the health and safety wasn't anything, so I just decided nope. I got this, and this is the one that I was talking to you about that said that it has a safety thing with 4. When I bought it, it said it had this exact same screen, but as soon as I go somewhere else, and then I go back or something, or I look at it in the blueprints, it says that there's a liability rate of 4. So, I mean, that's not too high, but it still could be bad, I guess. And that one, I got that one because it had, like, a hand entertainment thing, and the bonus revenue was pretty nice. Health and safety is not big on this one. Look at these cute blues. This is a silicone squishy. I have a unicorn and a panda too. But I normally use my squishies when I get really stressed when I'm playing FNAF. If you don't know what FNAF means, if you're like a new player for it, it means Five Nights at Freddy's, but I'm pretty sure everybody that does play Five Nights at Freddy's knows that already, because Five Nights at Freddy's has been out for a while. And I just got these games, like, yesterday, so, I mean, I knew about them, and I love watching videos on them, but don't go down and judge that it's, like, super, like, late in the season of FNAF, because unicorns are majestic and don't like haters, and I have a picture, and it says, "I wish I were a unicorn so I could stab idiots in the head." Or I could stab idiots with my head. And I don't really like having haters because unicorns are not mean, I guess. They're only mean if they're mean to you, just like llamas. Alright, so this one, I got this one because it was really nice too. And there was a lot of things. I'm just gonna stop showing you everything that I bought, and I'll just go into blueprint mode. Alright, so that's the animatronic that I got, and low animatronics? I feel like I'm missing something. Nope. So there's the cleaning stuff right in the corner. And then there's sorry, gotta move it. Alright, there. And then there's the low animatronic and the speakers and those paper pals. And I got this for health and safety too, because this right here. I got it because it was like one of those things that you need for like if somebody gets hurt and you don't have anything to do to help it, like if they get like a paper cut or something, then not good. And then there's the paper plates and stuff. And that's my room. I don't have very much money, so I'm just gonna skip to finished. But my time is almost up for my video, so I'll probably have to do a part 2 on it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop it here soon, but yeah. Also, I'll put his link in the description down below too. I want you to go and subscribe to Markiplier, because first of all, great at YouTube videos, and he has some really cool FNAF videos too. And I'm gonna stop my video here. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. My name is Zayden, and I hope you have a great day. And you should have a love for unicorns, because unicorns make everything great.